Namaste. What is the importance of exercise in our daily life? Exercise reduces our laziness. Exercise keeps us fit, healthy and fine. So, for these things we should do exercise daily. The daily exercise is a very important thing in our daily routine. So, what does we get from these exercises? It is stated in Ayurveda in Ashtanga Hriday. लाघवं कर्म सामर्थ्यं दीप्तोग्निर्मेधसक्षयः विभक्त घनगात्रत्वं व्यायामात् उपजायते. What does it mean? It gives लाघव कर्म सामर्थ्य अग्निदीप्ति. It reduces the body fat. So what is लाघव? It is a lightness of the body. When we exercise regularly, body becomes light. It doesn't become heavy, and that's what we are able to do various works. Laghavam, then karma samarthya. Karma samarthya is the ability to any work. A little ant also can hold the 10 times capacity of its own weight. So it happens because of the regular routine exercise she does. So for these things we should do our exercises regularly. If we do exercises regularly, then we will be able to make our work easily and finely. Secondly, if we start to exercise at once, then it is not possible for us to do those exercises in one go. So for these things, it should be daily routine exercises. Then Laghavam Karma Samarthya Deeptogni Agni Deepti. This means the digestive fire. The digestive fire in our body enhances because of these exercises. After exercise, one get a good appetite. In these days, various small children also complains about no appetite in their body. So why does this happens? Because the only sitting games, the board games, the mobile games, because of these things we do not exercise. Our muscles does not get contracted and relaxed. So for these things we should do exercises daily. It increases our appetite. When the appetite is good, our health is good. So for this Diptogni. Then Medasa Kshayaha. Medaha means fat. In our body, a percentage of fat is necessary to carry out the proper functions. But when it increases more than its normal capacity, then the body looks various shapes and the shape of the body changes. And because of these fats, one is not able to do its work in proper capacity. If the person starts walking, it gets perspirated earlier than that of the lean man. Secondly, when we walk and we are fat, then our capacity for respiration is also, the rate of respiration also increases. For these things, fat should be melted, and with the exercise one is able to melt its fats. So for these things we should do exercises regularly. Then Deeptognir Medasakshayaha, and one word is Vibhakta Ghanagatratvam. What does it mean? It means it gives a proper shape to our body. When one person exercises regularly and daily, then the muscles gets formed and the proper shape of the body occurs in that man. So for these things we should do our exercises regularly. Thank you.